Cleaning secrets to learn from Grandma. Cleaning is a life skill that you can't learn overnight, and neither is anyone born with it. You have to hone it. Most commonly, people pick up a trick or two for house cleaning from family members. The best person for cleaning advice? Grandma, it is. Let us look at a few top-tier secrets Grandma told us about. 1. Use baking soda to freshen up your floors. Use some baking soda with a small quantity of water. This is an excellent scrub, especially for the grout between your tiles. It is safe to use in a household with children and pets and is gentle on the floor with no odor. This staple pantry ingredient can also be used to clean countertops, stainless steel, microwaves, and lots more. 2. Always cut dish sponges into half. An excellent residential cleaning we picked up from Grandma was to make what you have on hand last longer in an era of inflation. This trick doubles the lifespan of a sponge and helps your dishwashing tool dry faster to fight into tight spaces. 3. Use toothpaste as a silver shiner. Use your toothpaste to polish your silver pieces. Simply rub it gently onto the collection, rinse, and dry. Your silver will shine and bask in its former glory once more. 4. Rainy days mean extra cleaning. Well, you cannot go outside, so you might as well use the day to be productive and give extra effort to your humble abode. Not regular cleaning, but just an extra chore than the usual can make a difference. Grandma claims that this trick is why her home resembled a museum while we were growing up. Moreover, we never saw her calling house cleaning professionals, as her cleaning hacks kept the house spick and span. 5. The 5-minute dryer trick. Certain clothes call for no dryer heat. However, not drying your clothes calls for wrinkles galore. Grandma taught me that putting wet clothes in the dryer for 5 minutes before hanging them to dry will air dry them crease-free. 6. Clean as you go. Do not let dishes, laundry, or any other mess pile up on you. When you walk through the living room, toss toys in the basket. Put dishes into the dishwasher as you cook. Wipe down all counters and surfaces after every meal. Each night, put the kitchen to bed before you sleep. 7. Use a dampened cloth for dusting. Regardless of the cloth texture, a dampened cloth is terrific at picking up dust but ensuring it is not too wet. You can rub this cloth gently to remove dust and restore shine any day. 8. Boil cinnamon for a sweet scented kitchen. This economical trick will eliminate offensive cooking odors and sweeten your kitchen and home. All you need to do is cover cinnamon sticks with water in a small saucepan. Simmer gently on the stove, and within minutes, a comforting aroma will fill the house, giving you vivid memories of the good old days spent at Grandma's house. 9. Sprinkle flour on oil stains. In case you or a child accidentally spilled some oil on any surface, no need to panic. Grandma says it is flour to the rescue. Sprinkle some flour on the oil spot, let it sit for a few minutes and then simply wipe it down. Takeaway. These are some of the residential cleaning secrets that have been handed down from one generation to the next. They are simple and budget-friendly, and anyone can try them. Adapt them into your lifestyle today and watch how your cleaning routine gets so much easier. Thank you for watching. If you would like to hear more cleaning tips like this, subscribe to our channel. Take care.